Hey up guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this absolutely stunning Triumph Speed Triple RS. So this is a 2020 model, 1,727 miles from new, and it's in the black and fluoro, which is one of my favourite colour combos. So being the RS and the new model, you get these lovely LED lights as the running lights. You've got carbon fibre mudguard and side panels as well. Totally as standard to an RS. Of course you get the Ohlins and the Brembo brakes too. Normally they come with arrow cams. This one's been changed to the Scorpion, and that's just for a bit more noise, and it looks cool being down there, nice and low down too. You've also got the tail tidy and the seat cowl as well, is standard to an RS. I'll give it a start up whilst we're at this back end as well. And obviously on the display, it is a full colour TFT display. You can change the way this all looks. There's about 5 or 6 different modes. You can also adjust the height of the screen if the sunlight's bouncing into your eyes. You've got ABS, traction, power modes, cruise control, the works. They really are well kitted out, these new models. So the bike also runs on a keyless ignition. So as long as the key is somewhere near the bike, in your pocket, the bike will start. You've got R&G crash protection there and at the bottom of the engine. They come with a quickshifter. Of course, you've got the Ohlins rear shock and the carbon fibre rear hugger. Now those exhausts as well, the arrows they normally come with, they are still included with the sale. So if you prefer the standard look, you can change them back. So what a great piece of kit. As always, if you do fancy it, please do get in touch. Pop down to the showroom, give us a call, and we'll put your name on this bike. Cheers guys.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.